You should see the way the stars illuminate your stunning silhouette. You're glowing in the dark. I had to count to 10 and take a breath.
Capture This Moment is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. There are 3 restarts and 1 tag in this dance. The teach and count. We start with the weight on the left, section 1. We're going to step right to right side, rock left behind right and recover on right. Step left to left side, step right behind left, step left to left side. We're going to cross right over left in front, sweep the left around and cross left over right in front, a quarter turn left and step back on the right, and now a half a turn shuffle left. The weight's on the left, we're facing 3 o'clock, section 2. We're going to step forward on the right, a half a pivot turn left, another half a turn left by stepping back on the right. Now we're going to sweep the left around to the back and a left shuffle back, a half a turn right, step left forward, rock right forward and recover on the left. The weight's on the left, we're facing 9 o'clock, section 3. We're going to sweep the right back and step back on the right, sweep the left back and a left shuffle back. The weight's on the left, we're going to do a quarter sailor turn right, so we're going to sweep the right around and behind, together, forward. The weight's on the right, we're facing 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a half fall away diamond step. So we're going to step left across right in front in the direction of 130. 8th turn left and step right to right side facing 12 o'clock. Another 8th turn left and step left back in the direction of 10:30. Step right back, a 8th turn left and step left to left side facing 9. And another 8th turn left and step right across left in front in the direction of 7:30. The weight's on the right, we're facing the 9 o'clock wall, section 4, step left to left side, a quarter turn right and step left forward, a half a turn left and step right forward, step left forward, a quarter pivot turn right, step left forward, rock forward on the right and recover on the left. The weight's on the left, we're facing 3 o'clock and we start the dance again. The count, we start with the weight on the left, section 1. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. And we start again. Tags and restarts. There is 1 tag in this dance. The tag is after the 3rd wall and we are facing 3 o'clock. The weight will be on the left. The tag is then step right to right side, rock left behind right and recover on right, step left to left side, rock right behind left and recover on the left. The count for the tag, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. That's after the 3rd wall, at the end of the 3rd wall, facing 3 o'clock. There are 3 restarts in this dance. All 3 restarts is after 16 and counts, that means after section 2 of the dance. The first restart is we start the 2nd wall at 3 o'clock, then after 16 and counts, we are facing 12 o'clock and we restart the dance. So if we do the second wall starting at 3 o'clock, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. So we restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. The second restart, we start the fifth wall facing 6 o'clock, and after 16 and counts, we restart the dance facing 3 o'clock, and the third restart is on the eighth wall, which we start at 9 o'clock, and after 16 and counts, we restart facing 6 o'clock.